Hello friends, my name is Prasanna Gadkari and in this video I am going to tell you what do IITs and NID look for your portfolio during the interview. Let me speak about the 7 most important things that you should consider while making a portfolio to be shown during the interviews. The first and the foremost thing I am going to tell about is that portfolio is branch specific. It means that you cannot show visual design in interaction design interview. For example, if you have designed an app, you should be speaking about how that app has interaction during the interaction design interview and not vice versa. Similarly, if you have drawn a beautiful scenery, it does not have any place during your design interviews. Maybe it will show your skills, however, it will not add to why you should be selected for that branch because it is a work of art. You can watch my another video which speaks about the difference between design and work of art. Let me give you tip number 2. NIDs and IITs check what is your understanding of the branch and how good your aptitude is to go for the rigors of the course that they are going to throw at you. So make sure that instead of having the entire end-to-end solution, you should be able to demonstrate your ability to think. You should tell what is the problem that you are trying to solve, what were the different concepts that you thought about while solving that problem, and how the final solution would actually fit into the overall scheme. You should remember that they actually want to see your ability to think more than the finished output. Coming to that, which brings to the next point, which is the third point, they actually want to assess the level of thinking. The level of thinking could be exceptionally well when you have thought about all different problems. For example, while designing an app, you actually have thought about people with disability. This will actually bring a lot and lots of levels to your thinking. However, while designing an app, you have only thought about the icons and not the interaction. It doesn't help you too much. The fourth point is that you don't have to use any tools, or you can do away with all the tools that you know of. You can choose to use any tools of your choice, or simple hand sketches will work as long as they express the solution. I would suggest for the people who are fresh out of college to actually demonstrate their thinking using simple sketches or using very basic tools that are available online. Or you can actually think about the tools that are independent of the computer, or the tools that you already know, such as PowerPoint. The fifth point is about creativity. Your solutions should be creative. They should express a different level of thinking that no other people would be able to think. Now think about the creativity in such a way that it is something that is used in a very different way and very apt way to solve the problem as well. I have created a different video for that which speaks about attribute method and how to use it to show your solutions in a creative manner. The sixth point is that you should have mastery over something or the other. What I mean by that is, suppose you are applying for the interaction design course. You should have shown your mastery over, say, ability to process information and come up with, say, information architecture. If you are applying for graphic design course, maybe your portfolio should contain a set of logos. Because IITs, IISc and NIDs actually look for a theme in your portfolio. You should be able to say that I have done a lot of things, but these are the things that I do the best. And they will be able to attribute that, okay, this person is capable of designing beautiful logos, or that this person is capable of sketching cars in a distinct way. So either A, you should have your style, or B, you should have a specific skill that no other person would have from the same interview batch. And finally, the seventh tip is that you should show some level of knowledge about the branch you are applying for. For example, if you are applying for mobility and vehicle design, you should be able to show your passion for, say, the recent launch of say Tata Nano, or you should be knowing some of the news that are going on around it, such as the cease of production of Nano. Or you should be able to tell that what are the specific problems about commuting and parking in urban areas and how you solve those. You should be also conversant with terms such as A-pillar or with class A surface, which are very commonly used in automotive. This will actually show to the faculty that you are aware about the basics and can take up this course relatively easily. With these 7 tips in mind, I hope that you will be able to create a good portfolio. I help people get into IITs and NIDs completely free of cost. So if you need my review or if you want to conduct a mock interview with you just to see that how you fare against most of the other candidates, I can help you with that as well. Please feel free to write in the sections below what your thoughts are, or you can alternately reach to me on my email address as well as through my blog. I hope this video you find all the necessary tips to make a good portfolio and hope you have a nice day ahead. Thank you.